Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful video on Instagram. So first of all, you're gonna need to open your Instagram and swipe left. At the bottom, search for this sign. This is browse effects. Click on this and type Aurora. As you can see, many effects have came up, so we are going to use this effect. This is Runaway Aurora. So this effect is going to change the background like this. So you can see the saving sign below, and we're gonna save it. Now this effect would be saved in your effects. Now while making the reel, click on the effect option. As you can see, there are lots of effects, and we're gonna find out this Runaway Aurora effect and shoot a reel using this effect. Now all you're gonna do is you have to pose whatever the pose you want to create, and the effect will change the background. It will create beautiful backgrounds like this, and you can make a video on any song you like. And I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.